Find or read reviews that people are talking about Yoni Steam Kit with Healing Crystal, Yoni Steam Seat with Crystals and Stones for Women, V-Steam at Home Kit, Vaginal Detox and Postpartum Care. Vaginal Steaming Chair, Gown and Cushion, No Steamer. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Yoni Steam Kit with Healing Crystal. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The Yoni Steam Seat is made of natural cypress wood, coated with eco-friendly paint, non-toxic, and has a smooth surface that provides long-lasting comfort. Our Vagina Steaming Seat is gentle on your delicate parts, with no irritation or damage to the skin. It provides women with vaginal health support by sitting above a pot of herb steam. You can put any pot or electric Yoni steamer under the Yoni steam chair to enjoy a steaming V-spa at home. 4 legs and 3 support bars make the V-Steam seat more stable and firm, with a weight capacity of up to 440 pounds, and the ideal height allows the steam to penetrate into the vagina better. Gary Bank Yoni Steam Seat is intended to fit all body sizes. The hips are uniformly stressed and ensure a comfortable sitting for a long period of time. The non-slip design at the bottom is safer for pregnant women and the elderly as a daily healthy and cleanse companion. Raw crystals and healing stones can use to heal specific areas of the body, which could help your body to open and link the chakra healing energy, to regain its balance. By harnessing the amazing powers of rose quartz, carnelian, clear quartz, red jasper, amethyst, sodalite. Combining Yoni steam and meditation to remove blockages that are disrupting proper organ and system functions. And release toxic emotions such as stress, tension, and stagnation. Wear a steam chair robe for wraparound fumigation to avoid steam diffusion. The sleeveless Yoni steam gown makes it easy to do other things while you steam. Soft cushion with good elasticity. Avoid cold wooden steam seat surface against your buttocks for a more comfortable sitting position. Place this chakra stones set beside you or in water during Yoni steam and meditation, to create a crystal grid that can improve your mental and physical well-being. Give yourself a relaxing personal time while enjoying spa-like procedures without the need to step out of your home. Yoni steaming can help with vaginal detox, maintaining pH balance, preventing V-odor, reducing menstrual discomfort, enhancing fertility, alleviating emotional stress, postpartum recovery, and relieving muscle discomfort. Steam for up to 45 minutes per session. Your body will thank you for this top-notch Yoni steam therapy and self-love ritual. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.